Hi everyone. Right, cartoon light bulb. So let's get into it. We're going to start with the eyes. So we do a big circle there with pupil there, and then we'll do a smaller circle that goes behind the eye. So it's 3/4 of a circle, and we'll do that pupil down there. Okay, we need some eyebrows. So just put some little triangles in there and there. And then right, next the mouth. So we will go just underneath the right eye there, and just underneath the left eye there. And then if we join those up, make the mouth. And then we need a tongue. Right, so now we need a body. So if we start at the top, and come around, down and round, and then same other side, around, down and around. And then if we do a screw on the bottom, go around, same the other side. And if we join those up, a slight curve, put a little button on the bottom, and then we need some, we put some reflections in here. Again, make sure they're round curves. Now we need an arm coming out this way, thing there, other side of the arm. If we do a cuff for the glove, and then his hand coming round, and then we want 1, 2, 3 knuckles. This one comes down like so, that's the end of his finger, and then his hand comes around like so. And then we need an arm this side, so if we go out, down and up, same again, underneath for the under part of his arm, and then again we've got the cuff for his glove, and then if we go up, out, around, back down, come down and then up for his finger, and then we've got another finger behind it, and then finger pointing up, coming down, for his thumb coming out of his hand like so, and then his hand comes down and in like so. Okay, so now all we need is some triangles to show that he's emitting some light. Colour in his mouth, I think. We'll leave his tongue white. And there we go, quick and easy light bulb, ideal for kids to have a go. So make sure you check out my other cartoons, and if you're interested in drawing realism, then make sure you check out my other playlist for realism. Okay, thank you.